Hello and welcome to this video on coding. Coding, or programming, is a critical skill in today's digital age, and it is essential for anyone who wants to work in technology or computer science. In this video, we will take a closer look at what coding is, why it's important, and how you can learn to code. Part 1. What is coding? Coding is the process of creating instructions that a computer can understand and execute. This involves using a programming language to write code that tells the computer what to do. There are many different programming languages, including Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript, each with its own syntax and set of rules. Coding can be used to build websites, mobile apps, video games, and much more. It involves breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts, and then developing a solution through a series of logical steps. Part 2. Why is coding important? Coding is becoming an increasingly essential skill in today's world. With technology playing an ever-growing role in our daily lives, the demand for skilled coders is higher than ever. Learning to code can open up a world of opportunities, whether you're interested in a career in technology or simply want to develop your problem-solving and critical thinking skills. Coding can also be a powerful tool for social change. For example, by creating software applications that help address social and environmental issues, coders can make a positive impact on the world. Part 3. How to learn to code? Learning to code can seem daunting at first, but there are many resources available to help you get started. Online courses, coding bootcamps, and coding communities can all provide you with the knowledge and support you need to begin your coding journey. When learning to code, it's important to start with the basics and gradually build up your knowledge and skills. Practice is essential, so be prepared to spend time writing code and experimenting with different programming languages and tools. Conclusion. In conclusion, coding is a critical skill in today's digital age, with a wide range of applications and opportunities. Whether you're interested in a career in technology or simply want to develop your problem-solving and critical thinking skills, learning to code is a valuable investment in your future. So why not take the first step today and start learning to code? Thanks for watching.